You're receiving the CyberStream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, the ultimate guide to selecting an MSP. IT is not about the tools, it's about the people. What do the following three lists have in common? DeWalt, Makita, Milwaukee, Bosch, and Ryobi. McAfee, Norton, BitDefender, CrowdStrike, and SentinalOne. Cisco, Ubiquiti, WatchGuard, Fortinet, and Firewall. These lists are all names of manufacturers of tools. If you were hiring someone to replace the roof on your house, arguably one of the most important, expensive, and risky things in your life, which you rarely spend any time thinking about, would you be concerned if they use Milwaukee versus DeWalt impact drivers to affix the chimney flashing? Or would you be concerned if they are honest and competent people who are true professionals in their craft and who have a sound plan to get the job done on time and while keeping your house free from water damage and your family safe? Just like in the roofing industry, we IT folks have a lot of tools. And just like an impact driver to a roofer, an IT professional can do a horrible job with a great tool or a great job with a less expensive tool. It's all about skills, plans, and execution. And even a skill gap within any one team member can be compensated by good plans and execution and a team. In the IT industry, we get excited about our tool sets. There are a lot of marketing dollars spent to convince us that we've got the best tools on the market and that the tools are the value we bring. But after more than 20 years of working with thousands of businesses, nonprofits, and government organizations, I know that the tools we choose have almost no bearing on the ability to successfully secure and support a business's IT needs. Though it is important that we choose our tools and define our way, as I covered in my previous post. So, if not tools, what does make an MSP more or less capable of supporting a business's IT needs? I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, their company's way. As I covered in my previous post, it's important that an MSP have an intentionally designed culture, standards, best practices, and processes, a way they do things. You should be looking for an MSP whose way aligns to your technology environment and needs, and which you appreciate and will continue to appreciate as you work closely with them over the next few years. 2, good foreman. Sales, account management, project management, accounting, present and available executive leadership. We all bring different perspectives and superpowers to the job. With the complexity of technology and how it impacts every aspect of your company, with a multitude of counselors, as they say, there is safety and success. And third, it's all about your business. All businesses come in different shapes, sizes, configurations, and cultures. When we're talking about your IT and data security, we should be talking about your business requirements, your regulatory requirements, your business plans, your budget. We shouldn't be talking about our technology tools and vendors. For more information on this story or how CyberStreams can help you understand your CyberFit score using our proprietary CyberFit assessment, check out the description or comments accompanying this content. This concludes your CyberStream system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.